how to sign out of your Microsoft account on Windows 11. So typically, you'll need a Microsoft account to go and sign in to your computer, but what we can actually do instead is use a local account and go and sign out of our Microsoft account. So to do this, we just need to go and open up the Start menu on your computer. You can then search for Settings and just click on this Settings window here. Now in the left-hand side, go and click on Accounts, and then we need to scroll down and select Your Info. You can then scroll down again, and you can see at the moment we're using a Microsoft account. Now to sign out of this and use a local account instead, just press sign in with a local account, and here you'll see the Microsoft account that you're currently signed into. We're just going to press next. And now go and enter the password to that Windows account. You'll then need to set up a username for your computer, so I'm just going to leave it as user, and then go and enter a new password that we can use to sign in to our computer. You can then go and press next. Now the final step is just to press the sign out and finish button, and once you've done that, it will sign you out of your Microsoft account and you can begin using a local account instead.